A trade that would have worked out for me, but I wasn't even here. I just had that put down, but I wasn't even here. I was in the bathroom. So this would have never worked out. This would have never happened for me. We got this line right here, this zone right here. We got this one right here. News, high impact news. Okay, never mind. Take that zone off, just invalidated it. We got that one. Alright, let's just see. Price just rejected from that. Invalid from that. 2 minute. Yeah, let's just see. Okay, so price just tapped into the zone. Let's look at the 10. This is how we're looking like. Price may reject from this shit. So currently right now, I mean, we can invert it. But currently, we're looking for price to close like this or just somewhere within the zone. A candle to break past it. Come in here to then potentially go back up. It's all depending on how this candle closes. And this, that, and a third. So I'll let you know. This week has not been a good week. I think we've all seen the performance of me. I would say like it's a mix between just not good price action and just probably like me not picking up on something. I'll definitely have to review this week's losses, but you know, it's just weird because in my head personally, it's like I don't feel like I'm doing anything like crazy wrong. Like I don't feel like I'm not following my rules. I don't feel like, you know, the trades that I'm taking don't make sense, or there wasn't a logical reason as to why I decided to take the trade. I feel like I followed my rules through every single setup, and that it just didn't work out. Price is barely within the zone. So let's see. Well, might break past it. If it does, okay, and it broke past it. We got London on the track. We got this zone. Might just grab liquidity. Might do some crazy shit. I don't know. Let's check the 2 minute. We got a zone right here. Fair value gap. Should we take it? I want to take it. Seven ticks, 17. Let's take it. It's the worst thing that can happen. I lose. I'm gonna take it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to take it. Price broke past it. 70, 75, 70, 720, 75. If this doesn't work out, tell me something I don't know.
Order filled.
You know, so what's new, right? 70, 20, wait, 20, 75, 20, 75, and then TP would be 26 flat. 26 flat, so up here. The likelihood of this trade working out, pretty slim. I ain't gonna hold you. But it's fair value gap right here. Price just broke past this zone, and we still have this this upward thing, momentum going on. So I just want to trade what I see. Price just broke highs. I just want to trade what I see and, potentially benefit from that. But if this don't work out, then, shit, it's been a shit week anyway. You know what I mean? So far it looks good, but price action this week has been bullshit. So I genuinely just don't trust anything nowadays. Nothing's been loyal to me. Nothing this week has been loyal to me. I feel like I've been taking trades that make sense to me, and I've been getting spat in my face. So it's like, I don't know. This week in particular, I have been getting my ass whooped by the market. And so I just have not been in a happy space. I think it's so noticeable. Like, okay, so far price hit 1-to-1. So I am looking at that as like whoop-de-woo, right? Yeah. Price hit 1-to-1. 1-to-1 right there. Let's see if price can actually fall down. I already showed you this. Yeah, I already did. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. That's where we up right now. Halfway there. We're halfway there. I'm looking back now. That was a nice little jump right there. I feel like they about to do me dirty. No, like they about to go right here. They about to go right here and then reverse. I'm calling it right now, bro. Looks good, but they gotta tap, they gotta hit TP. I gotta hear order filled. They about to go right where my line is and then reverse. Mind you, my TP is like one tick above. They always be doing this shit to me.
Order filled.
Period. That's so rare. That is so rare. Like, what? What? This has not been happening. Not the price action getting better. End quotes. 2 minute. 10 minute. Okay. Alright, so I guess like explanation. So we'll just go back. We'll backtrack. Since this is a quick jump right here. So I woke up. I won't lie. I woke up at 8:20. What I see. So what I seen was originally at that time I had this shit marked up. This bottom zone right here, I had it marked up because I seen price was in this area. Excuse me. So I was looking for price to. Initially, I was looking for price to come back. Like this was just me at 8:20 looking at it, even though it's not like really, my top. So I had my stop loss one tick below, or something like this, aiming for a 1-to-2. And then in the morning, or sorry, when 8:30 came, price tapped into it. I was not at the chart, and then price made its way up, and that's what I came and walked into, cause I came. So I used the bathroom, and I came in at 8:33. So what happened was I removed this, And I removed this because if you look on the 10-minute, I was looking at this as a, oh my god, I was looking at this as a potential resistance area based upon this 10-minute zone right here. So I was looking to see price, reject off of it and maybe bounce back down, but it blasted through with this candle. So if we drop down to the 2-minute, it blasted through with this candle right here. Once I seen that, I was just like, you know what? I see this fair value gap right here. So I put that down. I marked it up. So I put it down 7 ticks. That's 17 contracts for me to get to the risk that I want. And we just took it up. If you look at the 10, the only thing I was worried about was this resistance zone. So I had that marked up. But price broke out of that too. So price can continue going further, actually, if it wanted to, or so. So yeah, so let's go back to the jaw right here. So this is where you're at 266, 297 gross, but then all the fees and commissions, $30. It's crazy. Right there. Yeah, man. This week has been dog shit. Look at this. It's been horrible. Gross profit. So we're barely, but then obviously fees and commissions. With those type of fees and commissions, you'd think I literally buy and sell. Whole time that I only take like 1 or 2 trades. Crazy dog. I have just not have been having much success, to be honest. But yeah, it's been a frustrating week. I mean, especially compared to last week. Last week was actually pretty good for me. Ironically, looking at this was like barely good for me, but honestly, that was my fault. But overall, like, price action was so much better. Like, I felt good. Let's check how I've been this month. Down. That's how it's been. Yeah, it's like technically I'm barely profitable, but the fees and commissions, it just don't work out. Like, they say 45%, which is profitable with the 1 to 2 RR, right? But with fees and commissions, this, even if it's statistically profitable, this shit don't make it profitable. And yeah, and that's something that's like been a big deal for me, and that's something that I want to try to improve on. Like, I don't know, but yeah, I want to make a difference. I want to get better, mentally for those things in order for me to capitalize on what the markets can give you, bro. I know I always make these videos longer than they need to be, but I don't give a fuck. But you know what? I just decided that I wanted to make this video short because it is short, and then make another video about what I want to talk about. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.